In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $350 every single day by working from home, even if you have no skills and no work experience. And what I'm going to be showing you is available worldwide. So even if you live in Nigeria, Ghana, India, Pakistan, the US, the UK, or wherever you are in the world, you will be able to make money with this strategy that I'm talking about in this video. Now, just to further prove that exactly what I'm showing you in this video is completely accurate and it works, you can see right here that this is a payout of $350 that was sent to me. And all I basically did to make this money was literally follow all the steps that I'm going to be outlining to you in this video. And after watching this video, all you have to do is basically just copy me so that you can get the exact same results that I literally got right here. Now, the first thing that you want to do right here is that you want to pick a skill or a service to render. Now, the crazy thing about this is that you don't even need to know how to do this skill or render this service for yourself, so don't even worry about that. Like I said, what I'm going to show you requires no skills at all. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be picking the skill of logo design, and I'm going to be picking this specifically because this is a skill and a service that a lot of people are interested in, especially people who are just starting out their businesses. Everybody who is starting out a business these days is going to need a logo, which is basically their brand identity. So that's basically why I'm picking the skill of logo design. Now, if you don't want to pick logo design, you can come over to this platform and basically pick any one of these skills right here. You can see that the popular ones on this website are website design, WordPress, logo design, AI services. Like I said, you can basically pick any skill you want, and you don't even need to know how to deliver it. So now that we've picked this skill, the next thing that we want to do is that we want to come over to this website called fiverr.com/partnerships/affiliates. Now, once you're on this website, you can see right here where it says become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program, and start earning by recommending world-class freelance talent. So what we basically want to do now is that we just want to scroll down to the bottom of this page right here. And as you can see right here, we can see our offers, meet the products. Affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products, Fiverr, Fiverr Pro, and Logo Maker. Just in case there's anybody right now watching this video that doesn't know what Fiverr is basically this website right here. And what you can basically do on this website is that you can come over to this website and you can look for people who have certain skills that you want. So for example, if you need a website designed for you, you can basically come over to website, and then you can just search for somebody who has expertise in website design. So just search website design in this search box right here and basically just click on enter or this search bar right here. And as you can see right here, these are basically all human beings right here who know how to design websites. So if you are somebody who needs a website designed for you, you can basically come over to this website and look for people who know how to design websites, and you can basically just hire any one of them right here. Now, the crazy thing about Fiverr is that Fiverr doesn't just have people who can design websites. They have people in literally thousands of different niches of services. So if you need somebody to design or create a video for you, or a video animation, or you need somebody to run ads for you, or build an app for you, you can literally come over to Fiverr and find people who have that talent or that skill to deliver that skill or service for you. So now that I've told you exactly what Fiverr is, what we basically want to do now is that we want to come over to the bottom of this Fiverr affiliate page right here to where it says commission plan, and you can see right here where it says our partners is first. So what we're basically going to be doing is that we're going to be promoting services on Fiverr to actually make money, even though we don't have any of the skills or we don't even know how to deliver any of the services ourselves. We can see how much we're basically going to be getting paid for right here. You can see if you promote marketplace gigs, you're going to be making 25% off the first order and 10% of future orders that this person actually orders on marketplace gigs. Now, if you actually promote the pro services, you can see right here that you'll be making 70% off the first order and then you'll be making 10% off future orders, which is basically a revenue share right here for the next 12 months. So if somebody actually clicks on your Fiverr affiliate link and they come and buy a pro service right here, you're going to be making 70% first and then you're going to be making 10% or whatever that person pays for the next 12 months. Now, you can see right here there's a new service on the Fiverr affiliate which is called the Logo Maker. And if you actually promote this Logo Maker service, which is basically a logo design service, you're going to be getting 30% off the first order and then you're going to be getting 10% of future orders. Just in case this is still a little bit confusing for you, don't worry, everything is going to make sense in a second. So just keep on watching. For the purpose of this video, like I said, we are going to be promoting the Logo Maker because we are going to be publishing or helping people to create logos, even though we don't even know how to do this by ourselves. So what we want to do now is to come over to the Fiverr affiliate page and just click on this Join Now button right here. And then you can just create a completely free Fiverr affiliate account right here. You want to provide your basic details on the from being provided to get your account created. Make sure you fill the form appropriately. I actually have an account myself, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to log into my account real quick. And I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like once you actually sign into your Fiverr affiliate account. So let me just log in real quick and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about right here. As you can see, I'm logged into my Fiverr affiliate dashboard right here, and we've been accepted into the Fiverr affiliate program. We want to come over here to where it says marketing tools, and then we want to come over here to where it says default and deep links right here. We want to come over here to where it says logo maker new plan, and then we want to copy this right here. This thing right here, this is basically what is called an affiliate link. So, we just want to copy it over right here. And then we want to keep this affiliate link in a place that we will remember and is easily accessible to us. So, you can keep your affiliate link in your Notepad document. You can keep your affiliate link in your Microsoft document, but I'm going to be keeping my affiliate link right here on this website called worldcounter.com. Now, just in case you didn't know what affiliate marketing is or what an affiliate link is, affiliate marketing is basically when you promote a company's products or services for them through a unique affiliate link that they give you. So, through this unique link right here, and then once you can actually get somebody to buy that product or buy that service through this link, the company is going to be giving you a reward, which is in this case Fiverr is going to be giving you 30% of whatever anybody that buys a logo maker service pays. So, this is my own unique affiliate link right here. Once you sign up to the Fiverr affiliate program, you are going to be getting your own unique affiliate link, and that's exactly what you're going to be promoting. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to promote this affiliate link so you can make money promoting the services working from home, even if you have zero skills or even zero experience. So, now once we've gotten our Fiverr affiliate link, the next thing that we want to do now is that we want to come over here to Google, and then we basically just want to search for logo design. And then we just want to click on enter. And then right here, we want to come over here to where it says images right here. And then as you can see right here, there are different logo designs. And what we basically want to do is that we just want to download a couple of them. So, I'm just going to download this logo right here. So, I'm just going to come over here, and I'm basically just going to click on Save Image As, and I'm going to download it onto my laptop. So, I'm going to click on Save. And then I'm going to download a couple more logos right here. So, this one looks really good, so I'm going to click on Save Images as well to download it onto my laptop. So, I'm just going to click on Save again. So, I'm basically just going to look for more logo designs and more logos. So, I also really like this one, so I'm just going to come over here again, and I'm basically just going to click on Save Images again. And then I'm basically just going to save that. So, I can see these ones right here, so I'm also going to save this as well. So, I'm going to come over here, click on Save Image As, and then I'm basically just going to click on Save. So, like I said, you basically just want to go over to Google, and you want to download a bunch of really high quality logo images and download them onto your phone or onto your laptop. And once you've actually done that, the next thing that you want to do is that you want to come over to a really powerful website called facebook.com. So, now I believe everybody watching this video at least has a Facebook account because I'm not going to show you exactly how to create a Facebook account because I believe everybody has one at least. Now once we're on Facebook, what we basically want to do right here is that we want to come over here to it says Facebook or search Facebook right here. And then we want to look for or type small business owners, and then we basically just want to click on enter. Now, as you can see right here, the search results have come out, and we can see that there are many different small business owner Facebook groups right here. So, you can see this one right here that says Small Business Owners Networking Circle. You can see this other one right here that says Small Business Owners. You can see this other one right here that says Small Business Owners, and all these groups, as you can see, have literally hundreds and tens of thousands of people in them. Now, all the people inside these groups are all small business owners, and as you can see right here, this particular group has over 168,000 members. And like I said, all the people in this group are literally small business owners. So, I'm just going to be using this group as an example, and I'm going to be clicking to open this group right here. And once you've actually opened up this group, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to come over here, and you basically just want to click on Join Group right here. Now, the reason why we're using small business owners groups is because a lot of small business owners are just starting out their business, and almost 90% of the times these people are going to be in need of basic services like logo design and website design. And the reason being is because, like I said, they are literally just starting their business, and a lot of times they are going to be needing these services. Now, what we basically going to be doing when we actually join this group is that we just want to come over here. And we just want to click on where it says write something right here. And then we basically want to type something along the lines of, so you can see I basically wrote here, hello, I'm a fantastic logo designer and I can help you design really good logos for your business. You can click the link below to check out my logo design service. So, that's basically what I wrote in this post right here. Now what I want to do next is I'm going to come over here to where it says photo or video, and I'm basically just going to upload one image or one logo image that I literally just downloaded some seconds ago. So, I'm basically just going to upload this one right here, and I'm just going to click on open. And as you can see right here, this is basically a logo that I'm literally adding onto this my post right here just to give people a sense that I can actually design logos for them. So now once that's done, the next thing that we want to do is that we want to come over here, and then we basically just want to put in our Fiverr affiliate link right here. So, we just want to come over here, and we basically just want to click on copy. And then we want to go back to our Facebook post, and then we basically just want to click on paste right there. And as you can see, we've literally pasted our affiliate link right here. Now, one thing that we want to do is, as you can see right here, this affiliate link is a bit long and it looks very, very ugly. So what we're going to be doing is, we're going to be shortening this link right here. So I'm just going to come over to a website called tinyurl.com, and then right here where it says enter long link here, I'm basically just going to enter that long Fiverr affiliate link, and then I'm basically just going to click on shorten URL right here. And now, as you can see, this our link has been shortened too. I'm basically just going to copy it, and then I'm going to go back to our post, and then I'm basically just going to delete this long link right here, and I'm going to paste this one that's a bit shorter and looks a lot better. So now, what's basically going to happen is that people in this group are actually going to come over, and then they're going to read this my post, and then they're going to look down and see that I actually know how to design logos like this. And what's basically going to happen is that they're going to click on this my link right here and go over to Fiverr and actually purchase a logo design service. Now, like I said, once somebody actually purchases a logo design service after clicking this my link right here, I'm going to be getting 30%. I'm going to be getting $30 right here, as you can see, and then if they keep on ordering logos through Fiverr, I'm going to be getting 10% of all their future orders. So now, once we're done with this post, we just want to come over here and click on post right here, and our post is going to be live to this group, and people are actually going to start seeing our post and actually going to start clicking our link, and then we are going to make money. Now, like I literally showed you guys earlier, I've only done this once this month, and I used it for a different service which is called web design. And as you can see right here, I've already made about $15, and I literally did this once, and it took me about 15 to 30 minutes to do. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering how you can actually receive your money once you start making the money on Fiverr. Now, Fiverr has 3 different payout options. They have PayPal, they have Pioneer, and they can also send your money straight to your bank account. So no matter what country you're in, you should be able to have at least access to PayPal, Pioneer, or at least a bank account that you can use to receive your funds once you start making this money. So that's basically how you can make up to $350 every single day working from home with no skills. And if you guys want me to make more videos like this, then let me know in the comments section below. And if you want to watch more of my Make Money Online content, then be sure to click this next video showing on your screen right here.